And we're very lucky that he'll be performing at two places, at Bhuvneshwar and at Cuttack. And millions of his fans in Orissa are looking forward very much to it.
You first hear it, I think a song has to, it has to have its own life.
Okay.
You can't predict it. This is the first time I just landed in the morning, and it's very neat, it's very beautiful, and the climate is perfect. And I had a very beautiful lunch with sir.
Okay.
And he was very warm like a friend, and he had very kind words to talk about. So I'm really, really honored about this opportunity and being a composer for this anthem, for the state and for India. Thank you.
Sir,
meaning Gulzar Sahib was written Jai Hind in India. It is also very nationalistic. I think it's a it's a first effort, and I feel it's going to become much, much bigger. And this is the right direction to go. So I want to laud the whole attempt. And I want to thank all of you for being supportive. Enjoy the song. God bless.
Thank you.